Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable font ligatures to make your operators look more professional. Alright, so as you can see here, I have some code, and this might look familiar to you, these symbols right here. We have the two equal signs, and then we have the less than and equal to operator, as well as the not equal, and the greater than and equal operator. So we can actually make this look quite a bit better, and let's have a look at how we can do that. So what we can do here is hit Control and then comma, and this is going to bring us to our settings, and then I'm just going to search for font. And I like to use Fira Code as my font. And I will set that, and here you can see that it has Font Ligatures. On your end you might have an enable switch, but in mine I need to go in and enable it in the settings. So I'm going to hit enable, or I'm going to hit edit here. And it looks like it's set to false, so I'm going to set this to true. And it should be a lowercase t. And if we hop back into our code, we can see it's completely changed how these operators look and feel. So the two equal signs looks like one long equal sign. The greater than or equal to now looks like this. The less than and equal to, and the not equal to. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to use ligatures to make your code editor look even more professional. Anyways, that's all I have for this video. I hope you found this tip helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you're looking to learn more about networking or DevOps or development in general, please feel free to subscribe to my channel or join our Discord. And if you're looking for more tutorials on VS Code, then please check out my full-length video in regards to VS Code. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.